Guys, it's Paul, Swag Outdoors. So today I have another mystery tackle box unboxing. This is the regular box, the bass box, and I'm super excited because it's kind of getting to the end of winter time here, and spring's gonna be starting up soon. So I'm kind of starting to fill up my tackle box and basically get ready for fishing season. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so I think it's kind of raining right now, so I'm going to try to get this done real quick. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And I have not opened this yet, so it'll be pretty interesting to see what we get. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Awesome. Alright, cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna get the bait card real quick, and I'll go over some of these. Oh, here it is. Alright. Okay, so the first thing on the list is the Rip Knocker by Jenko Fishing. Lipless crankbait. Looks really nice. That's $9. So what this looks like here. So yeah, that'll be nice for this, early spring coming up. Ooh. This is the Punch Rig by Heavy Metal. It's a little jig type thing. Again, will be really nice for spring coming up. $5.50, so that'll be nice. Yo Daddy Big Bite Baits. Okay. $2.50. It's this little kind of sample pack of little creature baits, kind of these little craws. Scented. Yeah, sort of scented, yeah. That'll be nice. Do Texas rig. I'm probably gonna do a trailer with those two, maybe. Yeah, that'll be awesome. Okay. Then we have the flippin' hook, which is right here. Just a little one pack of the okay. Alright, just, yeah, this is a little one pack of this little hook here. I'm assuming it's for the soft plastics. So yeah, that'll be real nice. Do a Texas rig, tube rig kind of thing. That'll be good to do. Oh, sorry, that's, okay, so the hook was $149. Next up are the Wrecking Craws. That was really close.